Hello, this is Saeed Sajjad Hafiz. I'm doing Bachelor's in Computer Science from DHS Sufa University in Karachi, Pakistan. Welcome to my first Tech Talk video. Let's start it with the overview of Tech Talk. First of all, I will introduce whole topic today. What is this silent sound technology and how it works? What are the needs and why this technology is so much important? Then I will cover its methods and their working. What are the applications of silent sound technology and what are the limitations of SST? And then I will end it up with a conclusion. So let's move to introduction. I would like to start with a famous quote of Douglas Adams. Technology is a word that describes something that doesn't work here. The word cell phone has become greatest buzzword in cellular communication industry. There are lots and lots of technology that tries to reduce the noise pollution and make the environment a better place to live in. Here, a famous question arrives. How can we get ourselves out of this problem of noise pollution? Don't worry, this tech talk will help inform you about how to put a full stop on noise pollution with silent sound technology. So basically, what is silent sound technology and what are the needs of silent sound technology? It is a technology that helps you to transmit information without using your vocal cords. Yes, you heard it right. This technology aims to notice lip movement and transform them into a computer generated sound that can be transmitted over a phone. Hence, person on the other end of phone receive the information in audio. The needs of silent sound technologies are uh, I'm here with a surprise for people who are dumb by nature and by some accident. You guys can speak. You guys will speak. Yes, you heard it right. Silent sound technology helps you to speak over the call. Yes, you will have a call with others. So let's move how it works. Let's move to how it works. So there are several methods of implementing this silent sound technology. Number one of them are electromyography. So what is electromyography? The silent sound technology uses electromyography, monitoring tiny muscular movement that occur when we speak. It monitored signals and convert these signals into electrical pulses that can be turned into speech without a sound uttered. It is a technique which monitors tiny muscular movement and pulses generated by it. Electromyography sensors attached to the face records the electric signals produced by the facial muscles, compare them with pre-recorded signal pattern of spoken words. So let's move towards its working. Step 1. A needle containing two fine white electrodes is inserted through the skin into the muscle's tissue. Step 2. Normal muscles at rest make certain normal electrical sounds when the needle is inserted into them. Then the electrical activity when the muscle is at rest is observed. Each electrode track gives only a very local picture of the activity of the whole muscles because skeletal muscles differ in the inner structure. The electrode has to be placed at various locations to obtain an accurate signal. Thus, by this way, the speech can be communicated without sound. So let's move towards this. method number second, which is image processing. So what is image processing? Image processing is any form of signal processing for which the input is an image, such as photograph or video frame. The output of image processing may be either an image or a set of characteristics or parameters related to the image. In the silent sound technology, the output of this image processing is an audio record. So there are two types of image processing techniques. Number one, analog image processing. Number two, digital image processing. So what is analog image processing? Analog processing techniques is applied to hard copy data such as photographs or printouts. It adopts certain elements of interpretation such as primary elements, spatial arrangement, etc. And what is digital image processing? Digital image processing involves a collection of technique for the manipulation of digital images by computers. Let's move towards the application of silent sound technology. It can be utilized by astronauts for communication in space. As we know that there are certain barriers for astronauts in the space, they just can't find a medium yet to communicate with each other. So by the implementation of this silent sound technology, astronauts can communicate with each other in the space very easily. Help, as I mentioned earlier, helping those people who lost their voice, means they are dumb due to illness or accident, can talk over the phone very easily. Yes. We can make silent calls even if we are standing in crowded. It is very much difficult for us to talk over the phone when we are in a crowded place, when we are surrounded with a crowd, and it's even harder to pick up a phone or and to answer them, uh, and to talk over that call. It's very difficult. So we, by the implementation of this technology, we can make silent calls even if we are standing in crowded place. It is applied in military for communicating secret confidential matters to others. Let's move towards the limitations of silent sound technology. Translation into majority of languages, but for languages such as Chinese, different tone holds different meaning, facial movement being the same. From security point of view, recognizing who you are talking to gets complicated. You will always feel you are talking to a robot because of computerized voice. So you just can't feel the human touch in the phone call. This device presently need 9 leads to be attached to our face, which is quite impractical and hard to make it usable. That's all from my side. If you guys have any query and any question regarding this tech talk, feel free to ask me in the comment section or email me. I will I will mention my email address in the description of this video. Thank you so much. We'll meet again.